Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi and today's video is 7 easy hairstyles that literally anybody could do. No braiding, no twisting, my type of style. Let's get into it. So the first style is something that I wear all the time. It makes my hair look really big and voluminous, which is my favorite way for my hair to look. All of these hairstyles will be done on an old braid out, super old but still moisturized and not much definition. You can do these styles on super defined hair, super shrunken hair, however you choose to, even a wash and go. But I just put a regular hair tie around the top half of my hair just one time, so it's not tight at all. Just makes the top look really big and heavy and thick. And then I have my side tendrils. I love to have the little things. I think every style is gonna have some side tendrils. I love this style. It's my go-to style when I'm filming or just out and about. So this next style is going to be my mohawk, my frohawk. A really easy breezy way to do it. I put the bang part of my hair into a little ponytail to get it out of the way. Once again, I'm not using any brushes or combs in this tutorial, but you can always get you a comb, a brush, slick your edges down however you choose, but 9 times out of 10 my edges are not slicked down and my hair is just tossed together with an effortless look. Like, this is going to be very effortless, but not only does it look effortless, it actually is effortless. Like I said, that anyone can do. So I put my hair into about 3 ponytails and I'm going to just fluff it and kind of mush it and blend it together, so it gives the illusion that it's all one big, mohawk style. And then I'm going to let my bangs out and fluff and pin so it looks really cute and, once again, effortless. As you can see, I have my side tendrils out because I always have those out. I think they're super cute and it also adds to that effortless style. And I'm serving looks, honey. Like, what's really going on? You can also pin your bangs down if you need to get some more length in the front, or pin them up if they are too long. Obviously, it's your choice. So for this next style, I'm just taking out the back 2 ponytails and fluffing it out. It's really that simple. Before I film videos or take pictures or go about my day, when my hair is actually done like this, I would just play in the mirror and just fluff and style my hair any kind of way that I like. So now I'm going to give myself some little back tousled hair. What do you even call this? Just messiness. And I'm going to put the back half of my hair up with the front half of my hair and give me a nice messy puff. I absolutely love me a good fluffy puff, and I think that like having the extra hairs all around give you, once again, that effortless hopped out of bed but I'm still popping look, which is really my aesthetic 9 times out of 10. So now I'm going to put my hair into 2 puffs. Really simple. I wrap a regular ponytail holder around my one half of my hair twice, and I will do that to the other side, and I will leave the back extra messy bed hair type of things in the back. I will leave my bang out and I'll be cute. I'm actually going to pin my bangs down so it's not as puffy. You can obviously use just less bang hair if that's the case for you, but y'all know my hair is thick as ever, so it's always something that has to be pinned. I'm cute, ooh. So now I'm gonna turn those puffs into buns. Once again, guys, super easy, super simple. Comment down below some video requests. Comment down below your favorite go-to style that's super easy. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're like, have you not clicked the button yet? Like, have you not subscribed? Look how cute I am. Like, what's really good. So this last style is also a favorite of mine. I just pick up about like a little bit of the front of my hair. I leave a little bang out, part down the middle, and I put a small little pony and I fluff it out. When my hair is big and fluffy like this, it's my favorite. I could care less about having a defined twist out. If my hair is big and fluffy and drawing attention, that's what I want out of life. So this is another go-to style. And I'm done, guys. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.